Hi, I'm Jacqueline Peng and you're watching the HTV Evening Highlights. Malaysia's total trade for last year rose 1.2% to 1.47 trillion ringgit. This is the 9th year that our trade exceeded 1 trillion ringgit. Both exports and imports increased slightly last year. Exports accounted for nearly 780 billion ringgit, while imports totaled some 687 billion. The growth in exports was spearheaded by manufactured goods, which grew by 6.5% to 625 billion. This accounted for over 80% of our total exports. Presenting Malaysia's trade performance last year was Second International Trade and Industry Minister Dato Sri Ong Kah Chuan. He said China remained Malaysia's largest trading partner.
China remained Malaysia's largest trading partner in 2015 for the 8th consecutive year, with trade expanding by 1.1% to 230.89 billion. This accounted for 13.8% share of Malaysia's total trade. Now, ladies and gentlemen, yesterday, Topa in New Zealand, Auckland, a question was posed to him on whether we join TPPA with sideline China. Now, in fact, China is a very important trading partner with Malaysia.
Ong expressed the hope that the improved trade in the second half of last year will continue into this year, saying our economic fundamentals are healthy. The Attorney General has denied claims that he had asked his Swiss counterpart to stop investigating 1MDB. Tan Sri Muhammad Apandi Ali said that while he did meet the Swiss AG, he made no such request. Apandi was alleged to have persuaded the Swiss AG, Michael Lauber, to abandon investigations into 1MDB at a meeting in Zurich last September. But Apandi today said such a request was never the subject of discussion in the meeting. He said this in a WhatsApp message to the Malaysian Insider news portal. Apandi said this in response to a Reuters report that a Malaysian official strongly urged the Swiss AG to abandon his 1MDB-related investigations. Apandi earlier announced that there was insufficient evidence to frame charges against PM Dato Sri Najib in relation to the 2.6 billion ringgit donation and SRC international cases. Meanwhile, Apandi today also responded to criticism by Tun Dr. Mahathir Mohamad on the matter. He questioned if the former PM's statements are in accordance with the teaching of Islam. Mahathir had said that Apandi was not fit to be the AG and that Apandi was under the control of Najib. Leading shipping line MISC suffered a fourth quarter loss of more than 20%. The Petronas subsidiary said this was partially due to a loss on disposal of ships, property and equipment. Net profit for the fourth quarter fell 21% year-on-year to 757.7 million ringgit. Revenue, however, rose 44% to 3.31 billion ringgit on the back of better performance by all of the company's business segments. Despite reporting lower quarterly earnings, MISC has declared a dividend of 22.5 cent, amounting to 1 billion ringgit. This brings its full-year dividend to 30 cent, compared with 10 cent in FY14. Moving forward, the group expects its petroleum shipping segment to continue enjoying the benefits of the market strength that was seen last year, barring any material cutback in global oil production. Nevertheless, the group said the outlook for the upstream oil and gas industry is projected to remain poor with the prolonged weakness in oil price. Operationally, MISC expects to sustain its financial performance in 2015 into this year. And that wraps up the evening highlights. We would like to wish you a happy Chinese New Year. 猴年行大运，恭喜发财！